What's up, hula hands? I'm here with Johnny
You.
B. We're gonna deliver to you the deal of the week. Every Thursday, we come in and share with you what we have identified as a deal on the island. Today, we got a fun one for you.
Absolutely.
What do we got for him, Johnny?
Got a little Napili surf action, Danny. What's really interesting about this particular complex is there's one that's active, and there's been 13 that have sold as far back as our current MLS records go back to. And I want to say that's probably 2003-ish.
Not a lot.
So, what's that tell you about the people that live there or that own
They
them?
love it.
They do. So really, really low density as well. What is it? 53 total in the complex?
55, I think.
55, man. So
Yep.
only studios and one bedrooms. We're looking at a studio. And right now we've had this discussion. It definitely seems that for a hotel zone studio on the west side, those are really starting in the mid sixes and going up into the high sixes. I'm talking about Hoiailani. I'm talking about Napili Shores. Now, granted, we sold our Napili Shores. What was it? 620,
605.
605. So there you go. And that's right next door. So let's show it to them.
There we go.
Oh, what are we looking at over there? Well, we're looking at the island of Lanai. And if all of that shrubbery wasn't there, we'd see the island of Molokai as well.
Hmm.
And all of Napili Bay is zoned NBCID, I think it is, or maybe I got it wrong. It's Napili Bay Civic Improvement District. So no, it is
Yep.
NBCID, which technically translates to hotel. When I pull the tax records, it says hotel, H2 hotel zone.
Mm.
So as we know, that's important right now with all the Minatoya discussions going on and the different wishes of different people surrounding that group of condos. This guy's waving his hands frantically now to sell this place. Start at 750, now down to 535. We're 74 days in. Now, the maintenance fees, dude, I mean, they are what they are. That's 2261. But here's the scoop. It literally does include everything, including your electricity. So 1P pays for it all. I like the fact that this complex is set above Napili Bay itself. You kind of walk down into the beach. So it kind of sits up on that higher rock, lava rock cropping that Napili Shores does. In fact, there is a little beach path parking. There's some public beach access parking. Comes down right along to the north side of Napili Shores. And you can park there and then you can take a little beach path and that'll take you to the south side of Napili Bay. So
We'll give him the
there it
map.
is. So there's that parking lot there. And then just in front of that little parking lot area there, splits right by to next to that Alima. You just walk down along that beach path. And then that is Napili Bay. So we are looking at unit number 119. So that's in the Lokelani building. So you do get a skosh of the ocean view there. You are ground floor. You can see there you got a couple of pools, the shuffleboard. You can literally walk very, very quickly to gazebo. Maybe you put one of your kids in line, then you go have fun and come back and you get in there. There's also 5-3 Kitchen 5315, also on Napili Shores ground. And then if you walk the entire distance of Napili Bay, you can go have fun at the Sea House restaurant. So
Lots
I
of
like it for
options.
all these reasons, man. Show them the actual
Lots.
unit, maybe, Danny. Let's go to it.
Yeah.
Go through the pics there. Let's go through the
Everybody
pics
knows
here.
Napili Bay. A lot of
Woo,
our
crescent
clientele
shape.
love Napili Bay.
Yep.
Johnny loves it when there's waves.
Yeah, man. It's a fun place when it gets really, really big. It's not a super duper scary wave. I do end up saving a lot of people sometimes because there is a gnarly rip current that runs right in front of Sea House Restaurant. So there we got it. We got some storage, which is always a necessity when
Storage
we're
and a
ever
bed.
looking at studios. And the bed, that's the Murphy bed right there. Nice and clean.
So super nice, clean.
Looks
You got a full
updated.
kitchen. You got
Yeah,
dishwasher.
yeah.
shower. You got double lanai, so this is
So
your side lanai.
side action on the garden.
You can go barbecue, come back to your
Nice amenities. So yeah, so
yeah.
it's off to the side and then out in front is how it works, huh?
Yeah. So they have
There you
one
go. That was fun.
lanai. One lanai is here basically from this view, and then the other one is on the side.
So go, keep going though. I'll tell you. So no, oh, oh, back.
Right?
There it is. Nope, one more back.
Too
Nope,
big.
no, go to 10. Oh,
10.
never
Okay.
mind. Oh, that kind of is it. So where the drapes are behind that couch, that's where the other lanai is my
Yeah.
understanding over
Here's the
there.
side lanai. Yep.
And then there's the one for the ocean. Love that, man. Quiet
Double
coffee,
lanai. Yeah.
bro.
You don't get
Action.
double lanai many places.
I'm gonna tell you, there's room in there. I bet you pick this thing up. It's $4.99 cash, dude.
Oh yeah. Or maybe even a bit less if you're all cash, quick close.
There it is.
So a little bit of the beach. There's your side lanai. There's your front lanai. There's your view. Couple of steps. Stroll your way down to the beach. How easy is that?
Good times, man. There's a little beach path to take you down there. I do use the shower there occasionally. Thank you guys.
Part of your HOA
Like,
fees.
bro, the
Johnny's
golf cart fits
shower
down
fee.
that lead. Golf cart fits down that beach path. I'm not the only one that cruises down there too, man.
I see people sitting on there, yeah, when I walk
You
in.
literally just park right in front of Napili Surf and check it out. So yeah, it's
So
a good
this
one,
is
guys. Check it
deal of the
out.
week. Hotel zoned. Napili
Let's go.
Bay. Double lanai. Full kitchen. This bugger is good for a lot of things.
Pre-COVID prices.
Pre-COVID pricing. If you're interested in this, hit us up. You want to take a look at it? We can show it to you. If you want to meet Johnny on the property, you can do that too. Whatever you want, let us know
Aloha.
in the comments.